The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 84. Moreover, Mahāmati, the 5 dharmas include appearance, name, projection, suchness, and correct knowledge. Mahāmati, appearance is what is perceived as having physical shape and features. This is what is meant by appearance. If a certain appearance is referred to as a pot and not something else, this is what is meant by name. Designating names and pointing to appearances, as in the case of a pot, involve the mind and what belongs to the mind. This is what is meant by projection. But names and appearances are essentially ungraspable and ultimately unknowable. What is not affected by anything and what transcends mistaken projections, this is what is meant by suchness. What is real, true, certain, ultimate, self-existent, and ungraspable, these are the characteristics of suchness. The characteristics I and all Buddhas accordingly attain and truly explain and designate and indicate to others so that they are able to reach a true understanding of what is neither annihilated nor eternal, and so they do not give rise to projections but reach the realm of the personal realization of Buddha knowledge, beyond the reach of Shravakas, Pratyeka Buddhas, and followers of other paths. This is what is meant by correct knowledge. And this, Mahāmati, is what is meant by how the 5 dharmas include the 3 modes of reality, the 8 forms of consciousness, the 2 kinds of no-self, and all the teachings of Buddhas. Therefore, Mahāmati, you should cultivate these in your own practice and teach others not to follow anything else. The Buddha then repeated the meaning of this in verse. The 5 dharmas include the 3 modes of existence, the 8 forms of consciousness, the 2 kinds of no-self, the entire Mahayana. Name, appearance, and projection, these form the first 2 modes. Correct knowledge and suchness, these form the perfected mode.